How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Downloading and installing WhatsApp on a mobile device is very quick and easy. Now simply follow these steps. If you are using the Android, then simply open the Google Play Store. But if you are using the iPhone, then tap on the App Store available. Inside Google Play Store or App Store, tap on the search address bar. Then in the search address bar, type down the WhatsApp and press enter and search for the WhatsApp app. Now what you need to do is look for the WhatsApp Messenger by Meta, browse through it and simply tap on it. Next to it, you'll get to see install or cloud icon available on your iPhone. Simply tap on it and wait for the download to complete. It might take few minutes for your download to complete. In iPhone, you might even get authenticated with Face ID or Touch ID for app to download. Once downloaded, tap on the open and log into your WhatsApp account using your phone number. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.